All right, so to begin solving this equation, we're going to apply one of the exponents property, which allows us to break the right exponent up as 5 to the x times 5 to the second, because this comes from, a to the m times a to the n is equal to a to the m plus n. So when you have the same base on both terms, you can just add the exponents. So then from here, we can then see that 5 squared is just 25. So we can rewrite the right side a little more cleanly as 25 times 5 to the x. And then divide both sides by 5 to the x. I probably didn't even need another line there to write 5 to the x, but here we go anyways. And then we have 3 to the x over 5 to the x equals 25. And then we can rewrite the left side as just 3/5 all to the x power is equal to 25. Then from here, we can take the log of both sides. When we take the log of both sides, this allows us to use the exponent property. So we have the log of 3/5 to the x is equal to the natural log of 25. You don't have to make a natural log. You can make a log of base 10 or log of base 3/5, whatever you want. It doesn't actually matter. I just like natural log because it's kind of my habit. Because when you do this now, you can move the exponent as a coefficient. So then you have x times the natural log of 3/5 being equal to the natural log of 25. And then from here, you can divide both sides by the natural log of 3/5. So those will cancel. And then what you have is x is equal to the natural log of 25 over the natural log of 3/5. And then you can just use you can either break this up as, let me go up here so I don't have to move the paper down. X is equal to the natural log. You could even write the 25 as 5 squared over the natural log of 3 minus the natural log of 5. Depending on maybe your professor or teacher, whoever wants it written only using logarithms, or maybe on your test it's like on a multiple choice answer. And then you'll have x is equal to the natural log of 5 to the second, but remember we can move that exponent 2 as a coefficient. So it becomes x is equal to 2 times the natural log of 5 all over the natural log of 3 minus the natural log of 5. Leaving it just like that. Let's say you don't have a calculator. That'll be your answer maybe on like a non-calculator test. Or you could just use, your calculator and type this all in and get a decimal approximation. And we'll just go from here. Natural log of 25 divided by the natural log of 3/5 or 0.6. It'll be about negative 6.3. And there you go. Hope that helps. Good luck. Subscribe.